Hello YouTube, this is Gene again with GeekyAsianDad. Back to you again with changing oil. I was so impressed with changing oil in my snowblower. Thought I'll change the oil in this lawnmower because I've never changed the oil in this lawnmower for about 5 years. So I figure it's due time. Let's get started. Okay, from what I hear, all you do is just tip the lawnmower over, and that's about it. Yikes. This is a little black and dark. Alright, let's give it a try. That doesn't seem very efficient. It seems like the gas is leaking out a little bit. Alright, that's about it. I'm just using leftover oil that I had from my snowblower. This was about 20 ounces, and that's about how much I have left over. Let's see if I don't spill it. That's it. Looks good, I guess. All right, that's it. Let's get it started and see if it works. Boom! Did it again. Yeah, I don't understand why the gas leaks. You figure you tip it over, you figure it's designed to tip it. I don't know. But the oil was extremely dirty, but now it's clean. I think I overfilled it with oil because I filled it like the instructions, 20 ounces. Because I try to take the dipstick out and it seems like it's full, but it's good. It still cuts the lawn. All right. It's Gene with GeekyAsianDad on changing the oil on my lawnmower. See you soon.